Hi, I'm Chris from Lattice Semiconductor. Today we're going to show you a new way to design your boards that will lower your costs, improve circuit board reliability, and reduce the risks of circuit board relayout. When most of us are developing a new board, we're spending far too much time on designing power and digital board management functions. These two functions, called platform management functions, are required in addition to the circuit board's primary or payload functions, the ones that really generate revenue. Once we receive the assembled boards, we also spend a significant amount of time adjusting the sequencing and timing of various signals. But what if you could do everything in just one part? With Platform Manager from Lattice, you have a single IC that integrates power management functions such as hot swap, sequencing, supervisory, voltage monitoring, and power and reset, and digital board management functions such as reset tree, watchdog timers, processor configuration, and fault monitoring and logging. Seriously, what would you rather work with? One chip that can do everything, or a dozen or more discrete parts? Plus, Platform Manager is reprogrammable, so you don't have to relay out the board if you need to make design adjustments. Let's take a closer look at Platform Manager and discover how it can revolutionize your board development process. Platform Manager includes analog I/O pins to monitor board voltages and currents, a CPLD for control and timing of board power management functions, and an FPGA for extended digital board management functions. As an integrated solution, Platform Manager is low-cost, flexible, fast, and accurate. Traditionally, designers have utilized microcontrollers with analog-to-digital converters, ADCs, to monitor voltage rails. The downside of this approach is slow response times coupled with accuracy limitations that can affect system reliability. Platform Manager uses a comparator CPLD approach, which can be several orders of magnitude faster and more accurate at about half the cost of ADC-equipped microcontrollers. Platform Manager provides a threshold accuracy of 0.7%, with reaction time to a fault measured in microseconds instead of milliseconds. This accuracy and fast response minimizes failures such as flash corruption. You can integrate power management and board management functions into a Platform Manager device using Pack Designer 6.0 design software, an intuitive design environment for both analog and digital engineers. For example, an analog design engineer can use simple point-and-click, correct by construction instructions instead of designing using HDL or Verilog languages. Now let's take a look at the software and see how easy it is to make a change to the Platform Manager using Pack Designer software. The graphical user interface allows you to click on elements of the Platform Manager architecture and adjust design parameters. For example, click on the analog input block, select input 1, and change the voltage to 1.5 volts instead of 1.8 volts to monitor a DDR3 supply instead of a DDR2 supply. No need to change any external component. You can also change other device parameters like reset pulse width and watchdog timer delay in software instead of changing external resistors and capacitors. Now that we've configured the I/O and timers, we can define logic sequences for supply sequencing or reset distribution using Pack Designer's LogiBuilder tool. LogiBuilder offers an easy-to-use method for the creation of simple sequences and combinatorial control functions. In complex systems, coding can be accomplished in HDL or Verilog. Pack Designer enables you to import complex HDL logic modules and implement them in the FPGA fabric alongside simple LogiBuilder CPLD code. After defining sequences for both the CPLD and FPGA sections of the Platform Manager, the entire design needs to be compiled and downloaded. Pack Designer reduces design time by providing commonly used functions through the use of pre-written, debugged, and correct by construction IP modules. These IP modules are configured using IP Express. Pack Designer also has a built-in simulator so you can verify your design before downloading the file. Simulating functions at the board level reduces risk by managing interactions between functions. You can download your design and try it out on a demo board. Here's a portion of the Platform Manager Development Kit demonstration, where a voltage is altered to be above and below accepted values. Each time this occurs, the faults are logged, indicated by the LCD incrementing. This fault information is stored in non-volatile memory so it can be recalled at a later time. Platform Manager from Lattice enables designers to cut design times, increase board reliability, and reduce board respins. This single part significantly reduces costs by integrating power management and digital board management functions, usually requiring many ICs and discrete components. Because Platform Manager is reprogrammable, it is flexible and accommodates any modifications required to ensure reliable operation of the payload functions. This greatly reduces the risk of circuit board respin. Platform Manager provides a common building block for a wide variety of payload functions. To see a comprehensive set of power management design application examples, be sure to download our 150-page Power to You design guide. To learn more about Platform Manager, get the data sheet and customer presentation from this website. And be sure to download the free software and request your free sample device today.